We've just extracted that huge nodule and we've noticed some small bivalve shells just on the surface of the nodule here. You see the really fine detail of the shell just on the outer surface there. Hopefully there's an ammonite inside. We're going to split it along the cross section in line with where the shells are. Hopefully we'll have a nice surprise inside. Small piece of the cap, can't see anything inside, small little shell just there. And to make a flat edge, what I'm going to do is hit the hammer along here just so I have a more comfortable surface to split. So I hit a little edge piece off like that, and now I've got a nice flat surface to hit with the hammer. It's not wanting to split that side, so we'll try a different edge. I'll make another flat surface. Let's give it another go. There we go. Let's have a look. Oh, unfortunately, it's completely empty. Oh, very nice.
Oh my gosh.
That's beautiful with its nice brown shell.
Wow.
Then the one next to it's completely pyritized. That's actually a coprolite, which is fossil poo. It's a really nice example. Really pleased with that.